Xtreme Precision Blades. Fade cut includes our Xtreme-Fade self-sharpening precision blades, which have a gentler blade angle than our standard stamped blades, which allows for easy blending and smoother fade cuts. Ideal for fades. This hair clipper kit is ideal for fade cuts, including detailing and touch-ups around ears, necklines, and sideburn. Adjustable fade lever and extreme fade blade with allows for blending and precision short cuts with 40% more surface area than standard blades. Adjustable fade lever. Easily change the closeness of your cut between guide comb lengths. Move the lever up for the closest cut, move it down for a longer cut. Allows for easy transitioning of blending fading. Secure snap attachment guards. Kit includes 10 secure snap easy on, off attachment clips that help glide the clipper through the thickest of haircuts. Secure snap guide range in size from 1/16 to 1 inch and also include the left and right ear taper. Heavy-duty motor. Our power drive cutting system easily cuts the thickest hair with 35% more power than standard Wahl electromagnetic motor clippers. This powerful electric shaver cuts through the thickest of hair with no snags or pulls. Wahl quality. Wahl electric hair clippers for men beard trimmers have been used by professionals for over 100 years in the salon and barbering industry. The quality construction of our household hair clippers and trimmers delivers a smooth clip, trim, or shave every time. Self-sharpening precision blades. Self-sharpening, precision ground blades cut through all hair types and stay sharp longer. Easy-to-use attachment guards. 10 easy-to-use attachment guards that vary in size from 1/16 to 1. Adjustable taper lever. Adjustable taper lever for easing blending fading. Power drive heavy-duty motor. Heavy-duty power drive motor for no snag cutting. Top reviews from the United States. Well built. Well built will hold up for the long run.